Not at all. So, Chinmayee, yeah, please tell me about yourself in brief.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm
Afternoon.
Chinmayee. I was born in Bengaluru. I did my schooling at Cluny Convent High School and St. Joseph's High School in Bengaluru, after which I pursued my law graduation at Gujarat National Law University, sir. My hobbies include Samurai Sudoku, Bharatnatyam, and Hatha Yoga, sir.
Okay, good enough. So, you have done LLB.
Yes, sir.
LLB stands for
It's a Latin term, sir.
Latin
Legum
term, right?
baccalaris.
Ligum baccalaris. Okay, and this is LB only. Then why LL?
Because, sir, when we study law, we do not study one particular law. We study the many laws, and also because we tend to have proficiency in various laws, it is referred to as legum, sir, plural, sir.
Plural. So, in Latin, if we write it twice, then it is treated as plural.
Yes, sir.
Can we say like that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so just to make it plural, it is written
Yes.
twice in Latin.
Yes.
For example, Bachelor of Laws. Laws, not law.
Yes.
Similarly, LLB. Yeah, good. Very good answer. Now, there is a justice in the Supreme Court who, while addressing a conference, said that majoritarianism is the antithesis of democracy. What does that mean? Majoritarianism is the antithesis of democracy.
That the basis of democracy is that each individual gets to express his opinions, express his views, sir. And the imposition of a majoritarian view over others defeats the purpose of democracy, sir.
Okay. Right to Information Act, though as such it was not mentioned as fundamental right in the Constitution, but it was somewhere hidden in the Constitution. Where exactly it was hidden?
Sir, I would say Article 19, sir.
What is that? Article 19. You are right. Yeah.
Article 19, sir, and more specifically under Article 19(1)(a, sir, right to
What is
freedom of
that?
speech and expression, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I
So
think
how can we, you are very right. How can we say that it was hidden there?
and by means of implicit understanding, RTI, the right to information, forms a part of the fundamental right to freedom under Article 19(1)(a, sir.
So how can we say that this was hidden in 19A? You are right, whatever you are saying. Now explicitly tell me that on this very basis we can say that this was hidden there.
Because it is the fundamental right for each citizen to be aware of the public works and the government schemes.
Okay, so we can express ourselves, we can give our views only then when we know.
Yes, sir.
On that
Yes.
very basis, you are right, whatever you have said.
Yes.
Explicitly, if we want to say, we can say that we can express ourselves, we can give our views only when we know about the subject, we know about the matter.
Yes, sir.
So, right to freedom of speech and expression, 19A. It's
Yes, sir.
in there. Good. Your answer was good, no problem. Okay. So, women empowerment. You are a woman
Yes, sir.
candidate. Now you tell me there are various candidates. There are various centrally sponsored schemes and central sector schemes related with women empowerment. And there are various legislations made by the parliament from time to time related with women
Yes,
empowerment.
sir.
So tell me the
Yes.
CS and CSS, central sector and centrally sponsored schemes of
Yes.
obviously of the central government, central Harvard, and the legislations made by the parliament from time to time. Just
Yes,
name
sir.
them, don't go into details. Please go ahead.
Yes. Yes, sir. Sir, ever since independence, the process of women empowerment has been an ongoing. This Parliament has from time to time introduced various schemes and legislation, sir. If I
Mm-hmm.
have to name a few, firstly would be the flagship scheme which was introduced years ago, sir, the Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao scheme.
Okay.
Uh, sir, should I just state schemes or
Yeah,
even
just name
legislation?
them. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Very right. What else?
Sir, I can think of the Sukanya Samriddhi scheme, sir.
Very right. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir. Sir, in 2005, the Domestic Violence Act also came into
Very right.
being.
Yeah. Oh, first of all, tell
Right?
me about the schemes and then come to the legislation. Please don't mix two.
Yes, sir.
So, first of all, the
Okay, sir.
schemes you have named Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. You have named.
Beti
What else?
Matru Vandana Yojana, sir.
Very right. Go ahead. Yeah, some more.
The Poshan scheme, sir.
Yeah, Rashtriya Poshan Abhiyan or National Nutrition Mission. Yeah, right. You are next.
Hmm. Sir, the Stand Up India scheme, sir.
Stand up. Very good. Mm-hmm.
Um,
Very good. One or two more at least. There are so many, but name
yes.
one or two more. Try to.
Can I state about the SHG bank linkage program, sir,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
which seeks to
SHGs, SHG, yeah. Self-help
and
groups. Next.
yes, sir. Um,
Mm-hmm. Anyway, now come to the legislations made by the parliament from time to time.
yes, sir. Sir, I think during independence, the Constitution itself under Article 14 tried to ensure right to equality for women, sir. And
Good.
in this regard, in furtherance of many legislations have also been implemented, sir. I can think
Mm-hmm.
of the Domestic Violence Act of 2005, sir.
Very good.
Then the Prevention of Sexual Harassment Act, sir.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Uh, And also, I can think of various sections under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, sir, which prevent offenses against women, sir.
Mm-hmm. Major legislation you have forgotten.
The 106th Constitutional Amendment.
106 constitutional amendment. What else?
Reservation for women in uh, uh, local self body, sir.
Local
Local self
bodies.
government
So, through which
institutions.
constitutional amendment?
So, 73rd and 74th Constitutional
Very
Amendment.
right. Now, coming to the 73rd and 74th Amendment in the Constitution, how much reservation for women in local bodies?
33%, sir.
Would you like to prefix a word? 33%?
1/3 reservation, sir.
One third and 33%, more or less same thing. Would you like to prefix a word? One third. कोई word prefix करें? क्या word? What is that word? At
Sir,
least.
I
At
want
least
for
one
at least.
third. At
Yes.
least one third. It means it can go even up to 50%. And
Yes, sir.
in some of the states, it is 50% also.
Yes,
So the
sir.
word is at least.
At least 1/3, sir. Yes.
Okay, good enough. Now coming to 106th Amendment in the Constitution. Please. जी, बताएं.
So the 106th Constitutional Amendment seeks to provide reservation for women in the Lok Sabha as well as the state legislative assemblies, sir.
And you have said in Lok Sabha, in state legislative assemblies, and something
And
is missing. What is
and sir,
missing? Huh? Sorry.
And so this will be enforced post the delimitation
No,
exercise.
no, that's right. And first of all, we are talking about reservation only. You have said 1/3. Here,
Yeah.
word at least is not there. Here, the word is 1/3. You have
Yes.
mentioned that 1/3 reservation in Lok Sabha, 1/3 reservation in the state legislative assemblies, and
And
what
some.
else? What about Delhi, Puducherry, like that?
Yes, sir.
Where
And other union territories which have a legislative assembly, sir.
very good. Now it is perfect. Huh? All these things. Okay, good enough. Now you have mentioned about Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita.
Yes,
This
sir.
was earlier known as
IPC, sir. Indian
I
Penal Code, sir.
Court. Okay. So all those three criminal law amendments have come into force,
Yes, sir.
except for one section of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. What is that section and what it is related with? Question is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All the three criminal amendment laws have come into force,
Yes, sir.
except for one section which relates with Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Then what
I
is
can
that
think of
section?
Section 124A of the Indian Penal Code, which
Hmm?
provides for criminalization of seditious activity, sir. So, sedition has not been introduced in the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, sir.
It is related with hit and run.
Okay.
Section related with hit and run. That has not come into force, though it was passed by the parliament and it was assented to by the president.
Okay, sir.
But it is the only section which has not come into force yet.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now coming back to that very point only, women empowerment. Now you tell me,
Yes.
our Honorable Prime Minister says that we are moving ahead from women empowerment to women led development. Do you agree with this statement?
Yes, sir.
On what ground you can say that we are moving towards the women led development?
Sir, we are trying to economically empower women and also giving them some agency over decisions, so that making them the flag bearers of development and not development for them, sir.
So, sorry, again, voice was breaking. I could not hear. Earlier, it was okay, voice. Now it was breaking. Could you
Yes, sir.
repeat? What did you say? My question is, our Honorable Prime Minister says that we are moving ahead from women empowerment to women led development. What is your take on it? How do you react to this particular statement?
I agree, sir. Initially, the schemes and the programs that were introduced sought to empower women and give them some sort of agency, sir. Now we are trying to empower them in a different way. For example, economic empowerment through schemes like Stand Up India schemes, wherein they are the flag bearers of development in India right now, sir.
Okay, so how can you say that they are leading? Yeah, right, you are. You are going in the right direction. So be specific and tell me that on that very basis we can say that the women are leading nowadays.
Yes, sir. Giving them resources, sir, whether in terms of bank loans or subsidies, so as to enable them to come up with certain business ideas. Or
Okay, so entrepreneurs. Can you name some entrepreneurs?
uh, can I name some SHGs, sir?
Yeah, SHG also you can name, but the well renowned entrepreneurs. Can you name some women?
Yes, sir. Miss
One or two?
Kiran,
Yeah.
yes, sir. Miss Kiran Mazumdar, sir.
Okay, good.
Uh,
Any other?
uh, Sir, I can think of Miss Madam Sudha Murthy, sir.
Okay, so this is about the entrepreneurship. What else? Where you can say leading role of women.
Yes, sir. Also, the female labor force participation rate has increased drastically, sir,
But
over the
that doesn't
last few
show
years.
leadership. That is there, labor
Yes.
force, their participation is increasing, but no leadership role. any other important in order of priority? If you think about it, I'm sure you will be able to tell me. In order of priority, leading role. Think
So the
about it.
President of India is a
That's
woman.
right. So why are you not mentioning that? First lady, first citizen of the country. What else it could be even more important than that? Could there be anything? She is the first citizen of the country.
Yes, sir. Yes.
What else? So, politicians, there are other politicians too, approximately 15% MPs. And after that amendment, the number would increase when next elections are held, like that. There are so many ministers, you can mention some of them. And what else? Leading role.
Yes, sir.
बताइए. Leading role. पॉलिटिशियंस हमने करा डिस्कस. हमने क्या किया ये एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. व्हाट एल्स? वीमेन इन स्टेम.
Yes, sir. Schemes like Kiran have helped to encourage women in STEM fields, sir.
Yeah. And what else? In the space, particularly STEM, maybe space.
Yes,
There are
sir.
the women who have led the various projects related with ISRO.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, good enough. So, one more thing related with UCC. What is that
Yes.
UCC?
So UCC stands for Uniform Civil Code, sir.
Very good. Uniform Civil Code. So, legislation made there is a legislation made by one state assembly. What is that?
Uttarakhand, sir. Uttarakhand, sir.
Uttarakhand. So now you tell me which are the salient features of UCC, which is legislated by Uttarakhand and that has been given assent by the president also, and this is under implementation, we can say. So the salient features.
The salient features of the UCC introduced by Uttarakhand would
Mm-hmm.
be, firstly, equal inheritance rights for men as well as women, sir.
One. Hmm.
Secondly, being equal rights to maintenance despite the religion that a woman belongs to, sir.
Two.
Uh, Sir, right to alimony despite religion, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And, sir, a mandatory registration of live-in relationships, sir.
Mandatory registration. Okay, good.
Of live-in relationships, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And mandatory registration of all marriages despite the religion and the community, sir.
Okay, now let's talk about live-in relationship. So you tell me one thing that has been made mandatory, as you have rightly said.
Yes.
What is your take on it related with live-in relationship to make the registration mandatory for this? What is your take on it? Whether it is the right step or it
Yes.
is yeah. So
So this
pros and
has,
cons of
sorry, sir, sorry, sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, this aspect of making live-in relationships mandatory finds its basis in various instances of domestic violence or violence against women or incidents of sexual assault against women. But they have been left without a remedy, sir, because there is no formal marriage or there is no registration of their live-in relationship. So it leaves them remediless, sir, in various
Mhm.
instances, and especially under the Domestic Violence Act. So
Okay.
in order to protect such women, this step has been introduced, sir. And I think it is a great step with regard to women empowerment, sir. Although there are certain criticisms to this, sir, because it is seen as intrusion in the personal space and invasion in the privacy rights of individuals, sir.
But keeping in view the pros and cons which you have rightly mentioned, what is
Yes.
your take on it?
Sir, I
Ultimately,
think
your conclusion.
Sir, I think it should be allowed to be made a voluntary step, sir. thereby
So if
allowing
it is
them to.
made voluntary, then nobody will have registration.
Yes, sir. I think the first step to avoid backlash would
My
be to.
question was, keeping in view the pros and cons, which you have rightly mentioned, what is your take
Yes,
on
sir.
it? Yes or no? It's a right step?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. It is a great step because women empowerment is the need of the hour, sir, and to
Okay.
protect women against such
Okay.
incidents.
So when this legislation came into force, only state, and prior to that also there was one state where UCC was under implementation, but not
Yes, sir.
exactly in the same form as it is in Uttarakhand or as we want it to be. So which is that
Yes, sir.
state?
Goa, sir.
Goa. So under which act?
Sir, the Portuguese Civil Code, sir.
Very good. Very good. One more question. You have mentioned so many legislations related with women empowerment, but
Yes, sir.
related with Muslim women left.
Yes,
Which
sir.
was that?
Sir, a recent law was introduced to criminalize triple talaq, sir. I'm not
Criminalized
able to recall.
talaq. So what is the name of the act?
Sir,
Good.
I'm not able to recall the exact name of the
Was it
act,
like
but
this?
the
The Muslim was it like this? The Muslim Women Right to Protection on Marriage Act.
yes, sir.
Can you recall now? Yeah, this
Yes,
was
sir.
the one. The Muslim Women Right to Protection on Marriage Act.
Yes, sir.
Should I ask you some more questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first time it has happened, first country in the history to top up $1 trillion US dollar, $1 trillion US trade surplus. For the first time in the history, it has become like that. So, which is that country which has topped up $1 trillion US dollar trade surplus? First time in the history. Anyway,
Sir,
China.
I'm not
China.
sir.
China. First time in the history. Very important question related with the economy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can we discuss some other question also related with
Yes, sir.
economy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so India is getting economically stronger day by day. And if we
Yes, sir.
see this particular year, then the second quarter of the year, we have seen
A growth, sir.
GDP growth rise by 8.2%.
8.2%. Yes.
And in the first quarter, I think it was 7.4 or 7.6%.
Yes.
Quite good. So my question here is whether at all we go with this particular growth rate, then would we be able to achieve the target of being the third largest economy of the world by the year 2030? If we go with this particular growth rate, say about 7.5 or 8%. In
Yes,
the
sir.
subsequent years also, we go with this particular growth rate only. A specific question is whether at all with this particular growth rate, we would be the third largest economy of the world. With what? Definitely with this particular growth rate, we won't be. But then at what percent that growth rate in GDP, or we can say GDP growth rate, that is required in the subsequent years and in the current year.
Sir, a greater percentage of growth rate is required to be sustained in order to become the third largest
Approximately how
economy.
much? Approximately.
About 10%, sir.
Okay, good enough. So now your interview is over. First of all, you will tell me how do you rate yourself with today's performance, and when is your when your interview is going to be held?
Sir,
Kaveh?
my schedule is not yet out, sir.
Very good. So you are lucky enough that your schedule is yet to come. So
Yes,
you are
sir.
having enough time. No excuse.
Yes, sir.
है ना? अब आप
Yes, sir.
बताएं कि how do you rate yourself? Good, very good, outstanding.
Sir, there were many points where I knew the answer, but I couldn't put it across, sir. For example, the women's schemes. Although I
नहीं
knew.
आपने अच्छा फिर भी अच्छा आपने वो आंसर दिया अच्छा था. Good answer.
Yes, sir. And I wasn't very
Before
specific.
wala, that was not very good, but otherwise, schemes related with women empowerment and legislation, that was good.
Okay, sir. And
Hmm.
I have to be more specific and also look into the economy aspects, sir.
Okay, now my feedback. Very good candidate, but there is no limit to being very good. It can be even better than that. It can be outstanding. And you are having enough time. You can be an outstanding candidate. No problem related with your conversation. No problem related with your body language. No problem related with the sometimes what happens that you don't know the answer of the question and you respond to it. गलत answer आपने नहीं दिया. No wrong answer. That is also a very good point. Are you listening or some problem is there?
I'm writing, sir.
कुछ problem है ना? Were you listening me? There was some problem in the audio.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was writing down your feedback, sir.
Okay, so no problem in listening, eh? Okay, I think you will get the video also, but there may be some delay, so you can write. So my response was that you can be better than that. You are a very good candidate, but there is no limit of very good. It can be even better than that. And you have to be outstanding to be doubly sure that you are in. आज की परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छी है, लेकिन it should be better, even better than that. And you can do that. You are capable of doing that. ठीक है? तो conversation no problem, body language no problem, confidence no problem. Even if you are not able to answer some of the questions in UPSC, need not lose the confidence. Nervous नहीं
Yes.
होना है.
Yes, sir.
Confidence lose नहीं करना है.
Yes, sir.
Wrong answer, no wrong answer at any cost.
Yes, sir.
In prelim, what happens? 1/3 mark is deducted for wrong answer. In
Yes,
main,
sir.
what happens? No mark is deducted for wrong answer. 0 is given.
Yes, sir.
At the max, 0. But not in negative.
Yes, sir.
But in personality test, if you give wrong answer, today you have not given. दिया कहीं?
No, sir. I don't think so.
I don't think so. तो नहीं देना है. First and foremost thing तो यही ध्यान रखनी है. Second
Yes,
thing,
sir.
need not lose the confidence at all if you are not able to answer some of the questions. Your knowledge has
Yes,
already
sir.
been tested. Now your traits which are required to be a good civil servant are to be seen.
Yes, sir.
तो वो ट्रेट रिफ्लेक्ट होने चाहिए और ट्रेट में सबसे पहले आता है व्हाट?
Sincerity, integrity.
नो ऑनेस्टी एंड इंटेग्रिटी. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
आज आपने वो शो की है and that should be reflected in UPSC interview at no cost. No wrong answer. Better to say no and with that confidence only as if it is answer of the question.
Yes, sir.
So what you will do is you will identify the probable questions from your dev, from the current affairs, and you
Yes.
have to prepare them well. वो
Yeah.
डबल डिजिट का तो चाहिए अगर हम if we want to be the third largest economy of the world. चाइना वाला वो याद कर लीजिए आप कि various factors which were responsible for that because it has become first time in the history
Yes, sir.
कि किसी भी कंट्री का $1 $1 ट्रिलियन ट्रेड सरप्लस हो.
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट टाइम इन द हिस्ट्री.
Yes, sir.
तो बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट बात हो जाती है ना?
Yes, sir.
What is being discussed in the parliament today, what was discussed yesterday, and what is to be discussed in the subsequent days? Very important question. Yesterday, what was discussed? Vande Matram.
Vande Mataram, sir. 150 years of Vande Mataram.
Today,
Yes.
what is being discussed?
Sir, I'll have to.
Demand from opposition related with sir, discussion on sir,
Yes.
SIR.
Yes,
So
sir.
the broader issue, the electoral reforms are being discussed today
Yes, sir.
on 9th of December. ठीक है? In the
Yes.
subsequent days
Yes.
also what is to be discussed. अच्छे से करना है. ठीक है? An
Yes.
important
Yes.
matter, you are reading the newspaper. Perhaps today's newspaper you have not read.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? तो
Yes, sir.
मुझे आपके डेफ से रिलेटेड whatever I asked, your response was very good.
Okay, sir.
लेकिन न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना that is must. Which
Yes, sir.
newspaper do you read?
Sir, I read Hindu also and Indian Express also, sir.
Acha, if you can add one more, then it would be good enough. Out of these two, even if you read one, then that can serve the purpose. If you read both, then it's okay. Since you have been reading both, continue with that and add one more related with economics.
Yes, sir.
My personal choice is Mint, but not necessarily that you should go for Mint. You can read any other newspaper also. So add one
Yes.
related with
Mint.
related with economics. Mint करेंगे तो अच्छा है. Why?
Yes.
Because even if you go through the headlines, through the blocks and all that, the matter which is written in bold letters and all that, then also that can serve some purpose.
Yes, sir.
Mint would be better.
Yes, sir.
And I hope you will in. आपका हाँ ये साड़ी कौन सिल्क साड़ी है क्या? नहीं.
No, sir. This is indigo
सिल्क
block.
आप पहनना भी नहीं. उस दिन सिल्क साड़ी नहीं पहननी है ना?
Okay, sir.
अवॉइड करना है.
Okay, sir.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि पहन भी सकते हैं. सिल्क साड़ी अवॉइड करना है. लेकिन कौन सी है वो कहाँ पे वहाँ की लोकल साड़ी है क्या है उसके बारे में भी some person,
Okay, sir.
कोई बोर्ड मेंबर may ask the question.
Yes, sir.
अहिंसा सिल्क, you know अहिंसा सिल्क?
No, sir. I'll have to.
Where actually that is not killed, insect is not killed, और कोकून से वो हैच आउट होने से पहले ही हम उसे सिल्क ले लेते हैं. तो दैट इज नोन एज अहिंसा, नॉन वायलेंट.
Yes, sir.
तो दैट इज टू बी अडॉप्टेड ऑन लार्ज स्केल. अभी वैसा नहीं हुआ है. तो
Yes, sir.
अगर सिल्क साड़ी ना पहने तो अच्छा है ना?
Yes,
आज भी शायद
sir.
आपने नहीं. सो वेरी गुड इंटरेक्शन. ठीक है. और आप यू विल डू वेरी
Yes,
वेल
sir.
आई थिंक. ठीक है. It's okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I think
Thank
you
you,
will
sir.
do
Thank you so much.
extremely well. Wish you all the best. There should not be any excuse. आपको enough time है. काफी टाइम है
Yes.
अभी इंटरव्यू में. At least 10 days तो है.
Yes. I'll
No
work
next
on.
chance. No next chance.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. All the
Thank
best.
you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.